a lot of us, like, the prime time for us is like listening to music in the 90s. So I guess a lot of 90s band is a major influence on us. Like for me, when I play on the bass, I always think like I'm trying to be Flea or something, or trying to be every of Jane's Addiction, the kind, you know, the kind of what kind of bass line that they will play. I just think, oh, I'll be that damn, you know. Next time, put a sock over my.
You and I will find.
I think the earliest memory, when I say the most primitive memory, is when I was like 7 years old, using a violin to play guitar for me.
Probably when I started writing songs, I was like 17. I would run home, turn off, go into my room just to get a very quiet take.
Secondary school, because guitars get the girls go hand in hand so maybe that's the inspiration to do music yeah.
A proper inspiration.
Yeah, proper inspiration.
Please, I rest in patience as the night.
For me, I don't think it's a brave thing, but it's the right thing to do for us.
Gays are equally humans, so we support that. I mean, among us, we have a lot of gay friends. 1 or 2 years back, we actually contributed to Save the Dolphin song for RWS.
Any campaigns that we feel that is kind of relate to us, and if they invited us to do or anything, we will like to take the challenge. But we nowhere near Pussy Riot.
I saw it coming, that restless feeling. I saw it coming, but it was.
I feel that we can be any dish. Because when you're overseas, right, you always crave for chicken rice, nasi lemak, comfort, right, comforting, right. I like to think us as honest, comforting, no frill, just things that you want to go back to and have an honest, heartfelt meal which brings you comfort.
I have a bad day, I've been bullied, I can play a TypeWriter CD. This couple, you know, this teenage boy and girl, you know, very happy, I can play a TypeWriter CD also, that kind of thing.
Feeling hungry, go back eat nasi TypeWriter.
The only Singapore song that relevant to me is those band in substation days where people don't even know how to hold proper bar chords, where the bassist had to first band till the last band everyone borrow the same bass guitar, but still the energy, the whole vibe. Othello, Pagans, all those
Stone Revival.
everyone got their own identity.
As of right now, it's great that all these bands with different type of sounds coming in and everything, because it's a whole melting pot of influence. It's good, and it's kind of bad also, because we will mimic. It's kind of like love to mimic other bands' sound first, then develop a certain style that is us. But that is a problem, that is we can't get out of this certain style that we want us to be.
I think we sound more international now because everybody wants to sound international. So there isn't really a Singapore sound.
I think it's about being comfortable in our own skin. Right until now, I think majority of the nation or country, right, we're still seeing local music, local film as a novelty. After even 20 years, 30 years, it's still like that. So unless we are comfortable in our own skin and say, hey, I really like Singapore music, Singapore film, and not treat it as a novelty, right, then I think the sound will come. I think that's very important, to want to add on to their identity, even as listeners, even as audiences. If you don't want to add on, then we'll always be condescending towards something that's local. Unless you can find that confidence or that glow, that love for something local, then we won't have this conversation at all.